Greetings and welcome to Course Marketing Success. I'm Linda Kaye, co-creator of this course and Mastermind Community. And this might be the right choice for you too, if you've been pouring your heart and soul into creating your course, and now maybe struggling a little bit to get it sold online. Yes. We know there are a lot of sales funnel choices, virtual assistants, and even AI. But when you have two marketing mentors available to answer your questions and to help you with strategy and implementation, do you really want to spend your time struggling a bit with the marketing and the tech, or focusing on what you do best? And you might have even been asking yourself, how hard can it be? And then you've tried it and found out. Richard Osborne and I are offering a community and a done-for-you service that gets your online presence looking professional while you're automating the collection of student enrollment fees and automating the follow-up and the notices and protecting your course intellectual property and honing in on your marketing message and integrating all the bits and pieces that make everything work together nicely. And every month, we'll be covering a wide range of strategies, tips, tactics, everything for marketing and selling your courses online, all without tech overwhelm. And if you've got questions about whether this course and mastermind are right for you, I encourage you to use the Contact Us form or send us a text message so that we can schedule a phone call or a Zoom session to find out. And if it is the right fit for you, I look forward to seeing you in the Course Marketing Success community.